Hi, I'm going to show you how to find the area of a square. Here, square. The area is like how big this is inside. And the volume of a 3D shape. Here. The volume is how big it is inside this shape. And So, I'm going to show you how to find that out. It's actually pretty easy. So, to find it out, you need a ruler, and you need a question where it asks you to find the area and the volume. So, to find the area, there is a formula, and that is B times H. B times H, and equals area. That's how you find out the area. And B means base, and H means height. So it actually means base times height. And B times H is just a shortcut. And see, it's base times height. So I already wrote that here. That's the base here, and that's the height. And now you have to times these because B times H equals area. So now we have to measure with a ruler how long this is and how long this is. And then you just times it and then you got the area. So measure this and that. So now with my ruler, I measure it because I measure the base, and the base is 8. And the height is also 8 because it's a square, and the square, all the sides are the same length. So now I need to put on my thinking cap because now I need to find out what 8 times 8 is. Because if I figure out 8 times 8, then I've got the answer. So 8 times 8 equals 64. And 64 is then the area. Is the area. See here? So that was pretty simple, and don't forget, base is here, the base times height. That's really important. So now we're going to find out the volume of a 3D shape. So, the formula is actually the same. It's B times H. B times H. But you see, here, the B is capitalized, and here it was not. By that one. Here it was not capitalized. But here it is. So, the big B means the base of the 3D shape. You see where it's colored in? That's the base. And the base is where the shape is standing on. And the base, so I have to find out the area of the base of the shape. So is the B is like the area of the base. Area of base. So here, the colored in, I have to find out the area of the base. Here, the area of the base. So now, as you just learned, to find out the area, we have to do base times height. So here, I measure it again, because base times height. So, let's measure. The height is 6, and the base is 4. I measured that and that. I measured that, and that. So 6 times 4 is 24. It's 24. Because now we did that part. And now we have to do the height. And the height is here. And the height is how many centimeters? 4. So the height is 4. So now height equals 4. the height equals 4. As you see. 4. The height equals 4. So now we just have to do like here it says B. The big B means area of the base and times height. So now we have to do 24 times 4. And we can do multiplication. 24 times 4. I wrote it up here. 20 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Write the 6, put the 1 up on top. And then 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1, because the 1 is from the 16. 4 times 2 is 8. 9, so it's 96. And that's the volume of that 3D shape. So the volume is equals 96. So, I hope you learned something from this movie. Thank you for watching my movie.